So let us derive expression for terminal velocity. So let us consider this is the spherical body moving in the viscous medium of rho. This is rho and downward force is given by W is equal to M into G. W is equal to M into G. So let us derive an expression for terminal velocity of a spherical body moving in the viscous medium. So today we are going to derive one of the important expression, that is expression for terminal velocity of a spherical body when it is moving in a viscous medium. So first we have to draw this one. So we are considering the spherical body moving in the viscous medium. So this is the upward force and this is the downward force. So here consider the sphere of radius r and this sphere is having density rho. So it is falling under the gravity in the fluid of density rho. So on this sphere three kinds of forces are acting. So there three forces are when it is falling in the viscous medium. So three kinds of forces are acting. So those are first one, weight of the sphere acting vertically downwards through the center of gravity of the sphere, that is first force. And second force is upward force due to buoyancy, that is always represented by letter U. And third force, that is viscous force F acting upwards. So that is shown here. And here that is net force is given by the formula. So total force acting on this sphere is calculated by using formula W minus of U plus of force. Let us consider this one as equation 1. So total force is calculated by using formula W minus of in the bracket U plus of force. So consider this one as equation 1. So weight of the sphere, it is balanced by the sum of upward force and the, that is viscous drag. So this is balanced by upward thrust and viscous force. Therefore this equation it becomes, so W is equal minus of F plus of U is equal to 0. We are equating this one and here we want W is equal to, so this if you shift to right hand side it becomes sign convention, F plus of U it become, and next W is substituted as mass into acceleration due to gravity, that's equal to force plus of U. So let us consider this one as equation 2. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And we know mass is given by the formula M is equal to rho 4 by 3 pi r cube. Let us consider this one as equation 3. And according to Stokes' law, force is given by 6 pi meter Vt into r. Consider that one as equation 4. So according to Archimedes principle, U is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube sigma into G. So this is fifth equation. So keep in reminder that is equation 3, equation 4 and equation 5, because all these equations we are substituting in equation 2. Then we are getting, put equation 3, 4 and 5 in this equation 2. So this M is kept as it is. So our substitute in place of M, substitute this rho 4 by 3 pi r cube, rho 4 by 3 pi r cube into G is kept as it is, and force is substituted as 6 pi meter Vt into r, and this U is substituted as 4 by 3 pi r cube sigma into G. So after substituting all these, so how we are going to solve this one? So we are going to solve this one. So like this. So let us consider. So after solving, what we are getting is, consider this one, rho 4 by 3 pi r cube, G is equal to 6 pi meter terminal velocity into r plus of 4 by 3 pi r cube sigma into g. So same thing, so we want expression for terminal velocity, remaining all the terms take it one side, 4 by 3 g minus this, if you bring to the left hand side it become minus of 4 by 4 pi r cube sigma into g is equal to 6 pi meter terminal velocity into r. And here in both, which is common, 4 by 3 pi r cube is common. So remaining what we are getting? So remaining g is also common, rho minus of sigma is remaining. Here 6 pi meter Vt into r. Here pi gets cancelled with each other, and here r cube is there, 1 r get cancelled, r square is there. 4 by 3 ಏನು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ 4 by 3 r square into g is rho minus of sigma. Here 3, actually what it become, this, if you bring this 6 it become divided by 6 this neta Vt. So not Vt, because we want expression for that, this r is kept as it is. So by cross multiplication, how we are doing this one? So we want expression for terminal velocity. Therefore, so this here Vt is kept as it is. Here it become terminal velocity Vt is equal to 4 by 3 into, if you this one nothing is there means 1, it become cross multiplication, 1 by 6 it become. So here this r square g into rho minus of sigma, so whole divided by, here it become 1 by 6 it become. So here this become, so this neta into r is actually this become 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 by 9 it become. So if you simplify this one, 2 by 9, this neta into r it become as it is. So this 2, this r square into g in the bracket, rho minus of sigma. So expression for terminal velocity is, expression for terminal velocity what we are getting, Vt is equal to 2r square g into rho minus of sigma divided by 9. Here r square already we cancelled this one. So here it become 9. So terminal velocity is given by the formula. So Vt is equal to 2r square into acceleration due to gravity in the bracket rho minus of sigma divided by 9 into d neta. So this is the expression for terminal velocity.